Hi, in this video I'm going to explain zeros in decimal quotients. So our objective today is talking about quotient and remainder. Okay? First of all, let me explain or revise with you how to divide whole number by whole number. For example, look here, if I want to divide 3625 by 5 and 6545 divided by 7. First of all, I will take the first digit. Look here, 3 divided by 5. I can't, because here in dividend we have a small number and in divisor we have big number, so we cannot divide 3 by 5. So I will put 0. I will take 36. 36 divided by 5. I want to find a number. When I multiply it by 5, I will get 36 or less. That means we have again to revise our timetable. So when I try 5 by 1, by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the closest number is 7. So when you multiply 7 by 5, the answer becomes 35. Then you have to subtract. 6 by 5 start with 1s. 6 by 5. 1 and 3 minus 3 is 0. Now I will take 2. I'll put it down. I'll bring it down. 12 divided by 5, again I have to find number. When I multiply it by 5, I will get a 12 or closer to 12. So the number is 2. 2 times 5 is 10, because the closest number to 12 is 10. Now subtract 2 minus 0. Again it's 2. 1 minus 1 is 0. Now last digit we have here, it's 5. So I will bring it down and put it beside 2. So the number now it's 25. 25 divided by 5 is 5. 5 times 5 is 25. When you subtract, you will not find, or you will not get any remainder. That means the answer is 725. Here the same, I will take 6. 6 divided by 7 we can't, so if I can't, I will represent the answer by 0, because not enough here to divide by 7. I will take 65. 65 divided by 7, again I want to find number. When I multiply it by 7, I will get 65 or less than 65 or closer to 65. So I will use 9. 9 by 7 is 63. When I subtract, 5 minus 3 is 2. And 6 minus 6 is 0. I will change the color now, because I will take number 4 and put it beside 2. Now 24 divided by 7 again, it's a 3, because the closest number to 24 it's 21. When I subtract, 4 minus 1 is a 3, and 2 minus 2 it's 0. Now I will bring down the last digit, it's 5. I will put it here beside 3. So now the new number becomes 35 divided by 7, it's 5. 5 times 7, it's 35 again. Look, when I subtract here, I will not find any remainder. So the answer is 935. This is how to divide by one digit, or the divisor contains only one digit. Again, let me revise with you how to divide by 2 digits. Look here, 1512 divided by 14 and 1000 divided by 8. Again, I will check. 1 divided by 14, I can't, so I will represent it by I will represent it by 0. I will take 15 because it's not enough to divide by 14. I will take 15. I will hide 5 and I will hide 4. I will hide the first digit from dividend and the first digit from divisor. 1 divided by 1 is 1. Okay, boys? So the answer is 1. 1 times 4 is 4. 1 times 1 is 1. Subtract them. 5 minus 4 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. I will change the color right now because I will take the next digit. Now look here, I have 11. Now 11 divided by 14, it's not enough here in dividend to divide by 14. So again, I will represent it by 0. I can multiply and put it here, but I don't want to multiply and put it under 11. I will take help from the last digit from 2. I will put it beside 11. So the answer now 112 divided by 14. So I will hide 2 and I will hide the 4. Now 11 divided by 1, any number divided by 1, the answer is the number itself. But here in quotient, I can't represent 11 together. Okay? Maximum number that I can represent it here, it's what? It's 9. It's what? It's 9. So 9 times 4, it's 36 when I use 9 here. 9 times 4 is 36. 9 times 3 is 20. 9 times 1 is 9 plus 3, it's 12. But look here, I told you before, the answer must be the same or closer to 112, not greater to the number. So I will not use 9, I will use number less than 9. I will use 8. 8 times 4, again it's 30. 2. 8 times 1, 8 with 3 is 11. So the answer is 108 because I don't have any remainder. Here I will follow the same procedure. 1 divided by 8. It's not enough to divide by 8. I will put 0 and I will take 10. Now 10 divided by 8. Again, it's 1, 8. 0 minus 8 I can't, so we have to regroup. 0. And this has become 10. 10 minus 8 is 2. Next digit comes down. 20 divided by 8, it's 2. 16. When you subtract, you will regroup. This is 1 and this becomes 10. 10 minus 6 is 4. 1 minus 1 is 0. And the last digit, I will bring it down. 40 divided by 8 is 5. So when you subtract, no remainder. Now let's go back to our lesson. In this lesson, zeros in decimal quotients. So we will divide decimal by whole number, but we will see zeros in the quotient. We will see what? Zeros in the quotient. Now look here in this example. 0.368 divided by 4. The first of all, I will start from 0. 0 divided by 4, 0 less than 4, so it's not enough in ones to divide it by 4, so I will represent it by 0. Now after 0 we have decimal point, so we will put it direct up and hide it from here. Again 3 divided by 4, 3 less than 4, not enough 10, so we will write 0 in the 10th place here, and we will take 36 now. 36 divided by 4, what's the number when we multiply it by 4? We will get 36, it's 9. So 9 by 4, it's 36 direct, subtract them, you will get 0, 0. Now 8 comes down, 8 divided by 4, it's 2. 2 times 8 is 8, subtract 0, so look here, I don't have any remainder. Here, if I have it in decimal, 15.12 divided by 14, again, 1, it's not enough, so I will put 0. 15 divided 14, it's 1. 14, 1, 0 after subtracting. I will put the decimal point up direct because I finished here ones and tens. So I will put the decimal point. After 5 we have decimal point. Now 1 comes down. Now 11 divided by 14, when I had 1 and I had 4, 1 divided by 1, it's 1, but 14 greater than 11, so I will not use it, I will put 0. Now I will bring 2 down. Hide 2, hide 4, again it's 11. I can put only 9, the maximum number that I can put it inside the quotient is 9. 9 is greater like what I explained before, so I will choose 8. 8 times 4 is 32, and 8 times 1, 8 plus 3 is 11. When I subtract them, I don't have any remainder. Here in this example, the same 1 divided by 8, it's not enough, so I will put 0. After 1 we have decimal point, so we will put it up and hide it from here. Now we have 10. 10 divided by 8, again it's 1. Subtract, you have to regroup. This is becomes 0, this is becomes 10. 10 minus 8 is 2. 0, nothing, 0. Now the next digit comes down. 20 divided by 8, it's 2. 16. 20 minus 16 is 4, and the last one becomes down. 40 divided by 8 is 5, so 40, subtract them, 0, 0. Look here, I don't have any remainder. Look here, when you divide decimal by whole number or whole number by whole number, it's the same, but the difference is we will put the decimal point up. Put the decimal point up. Now let's solve some exercises here, or some problems or some questions. Look here again, 3 divided by 5, it's not enough, so I will put 0. Then the decimal point comes up. Now 32 divided by 5, it's 6. It's 30. When I subtract, 2 comes down, and I will bring 5 beside 2. 25 divided by 5, again it's 5. So now look, I don't have remainder when I subtract. Look here, I will multiply now by 2 digits. 1 divided by 28, it's not enough, so it becomes 0. 19 divided, after putting the decimal point up, 19 divided by 28, again it's 0 because it's not enough. Now I will take 196 divided by 28, I will hide the 6 and I will hide the 8. 19 divided by 2, it's 9, because the closest number is 18, so 9 times 8, 72. 9 times 2, 18 with 7, 25. But look, the answer 252, it's greater than 196. So I will not use 9, I will use number less than 9. I will use 8. 8 times 8, 64. 4. 8 times 2, 16 with 6, 22. Again, it's greater, so I will not use it. I will use numberless. I will use 7. 7 times 8, 56. 7 times 2, 14 with 5, 19. Or if you don't want to try, I start from 9, then 8, then 7, then 6, etc. Just estimate this number. 28 becomes 30. How many 30 inside 196 or inside 200? That means the answer or the closest number is 7. 6 minus 6 is 0, 9 minus 9 is 0, 1 minus 1 is 0, so the answer 0.08 and 0 here 0.65. Here another example, 7 divided by 4, it's 1. Subtract 3, 0, put it up, and put 4 down. 34 divided by 5 is 8. 8 times 4 is 32. So when you subtract 4 minus 2 is 2, 3 minus 3 is 0 now. Last thing, you have to put 0 down. 20 divided by 4 it's 5. And the answer is 20 when you multiply. So look here, I don't have any remainder. Okay? Now look at question number 4 and try to solve. Look, 18.20 divided by 52. Okay? Again, 1 divided by 52, I can't. 18 divided by 52, I can't. I will put the decimal point up. 182 divided by 52, it's a 3 after hiding 2 and 2 from divisor. 18 divided by 5, it's 3. 3 by 2 is 6. 3 by 5 is 15. So 2 divided by minus 6 becomes 12. This becomes 7. We have to regroup. 12 minus 6, 6. 7 minus 5 is 2. And 1 minus 1 is 0. Then I will put the 0 down. Now 260 divided by 52, I will hide the 0. I will hide 2. 26 divided by 5, it's 5. 5 times 2, it's 10. 5 times 5, 25 with 1, 26. Okay? Now here it's the same. But look, here I don't have any ones. I have only tenths and hundredths. So 0 divided by 2, you can say 0, then put the decimal point up. 1 divided by 2, again it's 0. 16 divided by 2, it's 8. 16. When you subtract, the answer is 0. Here it's the same. Look here, I don't have any decimal point. Look, this is good question. We don't have any decimal point. Look here, we have 0 in the dividend. 3 divided by 6, 0. Put the decimal point up. 30 by 6 is 5. 30, 0, 0, and put 6 down. 6 divided by 6 is what? 0. Again here, 3, 1 divided by 3 is 0. We put the decimal point up. 10 by 3, look, 10 by 3 is a 3. 9. 10 minus 9 after regrouping becomes 1. Put the 8 down. 18 divided by 3 is 6. 18. So the answer here 0.36. Now look here, I don't have any decimal point. 1 divided by 8 is 0. It's not enough tens. Okay, now 14 divided by 8 is 1. 4 minus 8, I can't, becomes 14, this becomes 0. 14 minus 8 is 6. I don't have any decimal point, so I will create my decimal point. If I have remainder, I have to create my decimal point because here I have remainder. So I will put the decimal point up and put the 0 down. Now 60 divided by 8 is 7 times 8, 56. Now 60 minus 56 after regrouping is 4. I will add another 0 and I will put it down. You can add any 0 here as you like. Okay, 40 divided by 8 is 5. I have to add zeros until to reach 0, 0 or until the remainder is 0. Like here. Look, I added the first 0, becomes 60, then I divided. Then I have now remainder is 4, so I will add another 0. I can keep adding. Why? Because I don't want to see any remainder. Okay, boys? Now look here, 0 divided, look, this is good question. I have 0.06 divided by 5. 0 divided by 0 is 0. I will put the decimal point down. 0, 0 divided by 5, it's 0 again. Now 6 divided by 5, it's 1. Subtract 1 left over. Here I have decimal, so I can only add the 0. 11 divided by, 10 divided by 5, it's 2. 2 times 5 is 10. 0, 0. Okay, boys? Now, find the quotient. Look here. I have variable without value, but the value here, it's given from the question. Again, it's here, it's the same. We have 5. So here the answer becomes 3.84 divided by 5. And here 12.36 divided by 4. Look here, the answer becomes 3.09 because 12 divided by 4, 3. 3 divided by 4, I count 0 and I will put 6 down. It becomes 3.09. Okay? Now let's solve some problems here. Kimberly makes gift for 6 of her teachers. She buys the supplies shown on the receipt. How much does she spend on each gift? I will solve question number 27. Here. Question number 27. Look here, we have to add candy for $3.20 plus $8.74 plus $6.54. Okay, boys, look here, the answer must be, when you add $3.20, $8.74, because here is the total receipt. Okay, the answer $18.48. Okay, this is the total answer. But the problem is, Kimberly, she makes gifts for 6 of her teachers. That means here I want to divide the total divided by 6 teachers. So the answer becomes 3.08. 3.08 dollar each gift. Okay, now let me solve question number 28. In question number 28, Casey studies birds. She finds a bird's nest with 5 eggs in it. If the nest and eggs weigh 10 ounces, the total weight is what? 10 ounces. Okay, boys, 10 ounces. And the nest is assumed to be 6.5 ounces. Nest weight is what? 6.5 ounces. How much does each egg weigh? Look, the total weight 10 ounces and the nest 6.8. So eggs weight is 10 ounces minus 6.5. The answer must be 3.5 ounces. After that, I found here the total weight for the 5 eggs. So here I have to divide 3.5 by 5 eggs to find the weight of each egg. 3 divided by 5 is 0. Put the decimal point up. 35 divided by 5 is 7. 7 by 5 is 35. When you subtract, no remainder. That means each egg weight is 0.7 ounce. Okay, boys. Thank you.